The chickens have followed you. They think that you have something for them to eat in this bucket, but what do you have?
Eggies.
Eggs. How many eggs do you have?
I don't know. There's too many.
Let's count them. Okay, so you've lined them all up, and let's count them before the chickens keep pecking them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
28 eggs.
That's a lot.
So what do you think we should do with all those eggs?
Sell them.
Sell them? What else could we do with them?
Keep them. Keep half of them. Sell half of them.
All right. Thank you for your service. I appreciate it. We thank you for that.